Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make birria tacos. First, choose a good cut of beef, like chuck roast or short ribs, about 3 pounds for the best flavor. Next, sear the beef on all sides in a Dutch oven until it's beautifully browned. This step is crucial for building a deep, savory base. Then, you'll prepare a rich adobo sauce using dried chilies and aromatic spices, blending them until smooth. Once your beef is seared and the adobo is ready, combine them in a large pot or Dutch oven. Add enough beef broth to cover the meat, ensuring all the flavors meld together. Let it simmer gently for 3 to 4 hours, or until the beef is incredibly tender and easily falls apart. After cooking, remove the beef, shred it, and set aside the rich consommé for dipping. Now for the fun part, assembling your tacos. Dip corn tortillas into the flavorful consommé, ensuring they are fully coated. Place them on a hot griddle or pan. Fill each tortilla with a generous portion of the shredded birria and a good amount of Oaxaca or Monterey Jack cheese. Cook until the cheese is perfectly melted and gooey, and the tortillas are wonderfully crispy and golden brown. To serve, garnish your delicious birria tacos with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and finely diced white onions. Don't forget to provide a small bowl of the warm, savory consommé for dipping each bite. This adds an extra layer of flavor and moisture that makes birria tacos truly special. For more great kitchen tips and deals, including a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.